just as the SQL data source control embeds all its logic within the pages on which you're displaying your data, the object data source control does the opposite. It stores all its logic and code in a separate class so that none of the information about the data is stored with the page itself. This provides centralized access to your database. There are some rules that apply when you use the object data source control, and you have to write some code. But if you buy into writing the code that retrieves and manipulates your data, you'll reap the benefits of having centralized access to the database with data binding on your web pages, as opposed to spreading out the logic onto each page that contains bound controls, as you do with the SQL data source control. In this section, we'll also look at the link data source control, which allows you to bind other controls to the results of executing a link query, and the XML data source, which allows you to bind controls in a read-only fashion to XML data.